What's up, guys? So today I want to walk you through on how I got this a buy setup on volatility 15 index. So looking at this chart here, this is my 1 hour chart. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I mostly do my analysis on the 4 hour time frame, but this particular setup I did the analysis on the 1 hour because 4 hour wasn't really that clear enough. So this is 4 hour time frame, and earlier price was on a bearish trend, breaking structures to the downside. So I got this break of structure to the downside. So this was the last break of structure to the downside. And so when I got this break of structure to the downside, I first of all I mark out my trading range, which is from this swing high to this swing low. Yeah, so when I marked this trading range, I quickly went down to my 1 hour time frame. That was where I did most of the analysis. So this is 1 hour time frame. So the next thing I did was to mark out the other block that caused this break of structure to the downside. Looking at this chart here, this is the break of structure responsible for this break to the downside. So I marked this out. Then I had to wait for price to come retrace back to this other block. Then I can look for my confirmation to continue this downward trend. So what price did? Price came and disrespected this other block here. Price disrespected this other block, break above it, and gave me a new structure. That's a market structure shift. I got a market structure shift here. So this is this market structure shift here is signaling a change in the market trend. So the next thing I did was to look for the other block responsible for this market structure shift. And looking at the chart here, I got this is 1 hour time frame. So I marked out this doji candle before the impulsive move here. So I marked out this doji candle, which is the other block responsible for this market structure shift. And when I marked this other block out, I waited for price to retrace back to this other block. So when price retraced back to this other block, I quickly went down to the 30 minutes time frame. I went down to the 30 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame. So I had to refine this other block here again. I refined this other block here. I just used this candle before the impulsive move. Okay, let me remove this. So I waited for price. When price came to this other block here, I started this trade with candle confirmation. So what I was waiting for is for price to react to this other block, and then I was looking for a doji. That's one thing I look for when I want to enter a trade with a candle confirmation. I wait for price to give me a doji candle. So looking at this chart here, you would see when market printed this doji candle, and after this doji candle I was waiting for an engulfing candle to print. So as you can see, price also came and gave me this engulfing candle. So when I got this engulfing candle here, I waited for a little retracement. And this is a retracement here. And when price gave me this retracement, I waited for the candle to close. So immediately the candle closed, I entered this trade here, just here. So I kept my stop loss just below this low here, and I targeted this swing high here. I targeted this swing high here, and this is how this trade played out. So returning back to the 1 hour time frame, this is what this chart looks like at the end of the day. So price came and also gave me a break of structure here, signaling a continuation in this bullish trend. So that was how I got this buy setup on volatility 15 index.